Welcome back, we in there. So this one actually does something to me, man. That's why I'm making this one first. Matty Ice 300S, guaranteed to show you something dope, man. A dope ass car. It's 2018 Chrysler 300S, and look at the lights, man. Look at the underglow. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on the camera, but it's purple. It's extremely purple, pink, fluorescent. Look at the underglow. Look at it, man. Look at the lights on the other side, man. The little fog lights, man. This thing is nice, man. Like I said, it's probably not picking it up on the camera, so be sure to go check out Matty Ice 300. And look at the background, man. Look at the sunset. Let me give you the full disclosure, man. Look at that, man. This just looks nice, man. Nice ass car, man. This video is gonna be about lights, man. So if you got special lights, if you like special lights, halo lights, underglow, anything like that, man, you probably gonna be featured, man. But anyway, man, let's go, man. Matty Ice 300S, man. First one out. Let's go. Let's get it. Perfect. And just in case you guys are wondering, man, how to get these lights, man, you got to go check out RGB Halo Kits on Instagram, man. He got a lot of videos up, man. I've seen him featured on Tall Guy Car Reviews and Mr. Organic channels. But it's pretty cool dude, man, to come out and handle the situation for you. It seems to be real good quality work. But look at this, man. First, this is a page, man. This is the Instagram name, RGB Halo Kits on Instagram. But look at the first picture. Guess what car it's going to be? Look at that, man. Look at those lights, man. Imagine whatever car you got, whatever 300 you got, man, whatever situation you're in, man, imagine those lights, man, coming through like a parade, man. And look, you can see, I guess you can see all the other stuff he does too. Looks like great work, man, cool dude. Also, I believe he ships, so if you're not in California or wherever, man, you can just order online and get all the instructions. Look, you can change the color with the app on your phone. You don't even have to be in a car. Look, man, just all the cars, man. Look at MOPAR over there. Look, I think that's, no, that's not there. But yeah, man, it's just dope, man. Dope situation. I think that's the real car. Yeah, man, it's just a good situation, man. But definitely go check out, man. I'll probably get some on mine, both of mine, man, because I like the way they look, man. It doesn't seem like it's a hard process just to do it myself, man, because I'm in Las Vegas, not California. But RGB Halo Kits, man, go check them out on Instagram, man. Look at the followers, all that type of stuff, man. I looked through a lot of the pictures, man. I don't see any bad reviews. I don't see anybody complaining. Everybody who got them, they're pretty satisfied, man. They, you know, show them all the videos, all the YouTubers, man. So it seems like a great project, man. Great, you know, little situation, little weekend thing that you can do. But yeah, man, definitely go check it out, man. RGB Halo Kits, man. But let's go. Let's continue on. Next one up, man. Low_300S, man. Cocaine White 300. In Florida, man. Look at this. Look at the car. Look at the lights, man. Look at the halos, man. Look at that dope. Look at the tire stickers. We're not gonna talk about those, man. I think we already have a video up about that. But look at the halos, man. I like it, man. Let me focus. All right, there we go, man. Look at the lights, man. 300 is pretty dope, man. It's real clean, real simple from what it seems, but you could tell you got some, you know, some upgrades, some customizations on the inside, because I know mine don't look like that. I don't know what all this is, but I'm about to hit dog up, man, to see exactly what's going on, man. But yeah, look at the brake calipers. But we talking about lights, man. Let me get to a picture with some dope halos. They look like eyeballs, man. They look like, a, you know, like the eyes and the mouth, the grill, this little face, the nose, the little thing on the side, the little, this thing right here is like a little lip thing or whatever. You can tell it's like the tongue hanging out. It looks like a real face, man, but it's pretty dope, man. You guys got to definitely go check out, man. Check out low_300S on Instagram, man. Cool whip. Dope whip, I like it, man. Put time and effort into it, man. You can see it's simple, like from the, you know, the untrained eye, you would probably think like, oh yeah, you just got it from the factory, yeah, it's nothing. But when you really know about cars, man, you can tell, man, some work and some dedication has been put into this, man. And you know everything with cars, man, they take time and money. So you got two sides of it, man. But yeah, definitely a dope whip, man. Look at the brake calipers. But yeah, man, definitely go check out low_300S, man. But anyway, let's go. I'm gonna try to zoom in on the color. I don't want to show you the rest of the whip. I don't want to show you. Red, white, green, blue. I don't want to show too much. I'm just trying to show you the rainbow. I don't want to show too much of the car, man, because there's a lot going on, man. You already know who this is. Like I said, man, he probably has the dopest 300 that I've ever seen in my life. The dopest 300 on Instagram. I haven't seen one doper. If you've seen one, let me know. If I said one is dope, I probably forgot. Acrophobia_300S, man. There's not much to say, man. I think he's been on every one of my videos, man. Real cool dude, the homie. The car is dope, man. It's just, it's not even much I can say, man. I've probably talked about everything that I can say about this car, man. It's just, the doors, I don't know, man. You just go subscribe, man. Go follow dog, man. You already know. He probably has the dopest car, man. Like anything you want to see, anything you want to know, any customization you can think of, you probably got already. Acrophobia, man, _300S. definitely go subscribe, go follow. Dope car, dope. Look, just go follow, man. You can see the rest. You gotta self-promote. Mr. 300 on YouTube, man. This is my channel. This is my page. Definitely go subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. You're probably watching on YouTube, man, so definitely just go hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna try to put a little animation up so you can, you know, entice you to go click on it, man. But this is my Instagram page, man. I just post a whole bunch about 300s, man. I love 300s. I have 2 of them. You know, I'm doing some little things on the works, man, on the side, man. I haven't really revealed too much. These aren't my cars. These are just the homies' cars. If you got something dope, you know, I'm definitely going to post it if I see it daily. I'm looking, I'm searching, I'm stalking. So if you got a 300, man, and I missed it, definitely, man, DM me, man, a picture. I know a lot of people have already, and I definitely put them on my story. I put them on my page or whatever, man. But if you got a 300, man, and I missed you, I haven't posted you yet, definitely, man, just DM me, man, Mr. 300 on YouTube, and definitely subscribe to my channel. It's Mr. 300 on YouTube. But yeah, man, we're gonna get it going, man. So yeah, definitely, let's go. Are we back for another one, man? Chrysler _King 300. Let's go, man. You got one of the dopest light setup, man, I've seen in a while. Look at it, man. Look at it. Let's focus, man. Let's get a little fun. My bad, man, on the camera, man. I'm using my Canon, my vlogging camera, man, just recording on my iPad. So it takes a little time, man. That's why my focus be a little off, man. But anyway, look, you got green, you got red. And look at the underglow, man. Look at the wheels lights, man, coming out, man. Let me try to see if I can get a better picture. Look at that, man. Hold on, focus. Look at that, man. That shit is dope. I haven't seen that before, man. It's real subtle, but you could tell, man, when it's driving down the street, man, it's something special. I like it, man. Look at the lights, man. They look like a demon, man. Not like the demon car, but like a demon eyes, man. They look like menacing. You know, just imagine just driving down the street and you see that, man. Look at the purple. Ooh. Look at this, man. Look at the lights, man. I like it, man. It's real dope, man. You definitely got to go follow. Let's go back up to the top, man, so you guys can get a visual representation of the name. You got to go and go click on Chrysler _King 300, man. Dope, definitely a dope whip. We got the green lights on the profile picture, man, but it's definitely a dope whip, man. Look at the red, man. Look at the red, man. Look at the green, man. Look at the stance. We ain't talking about that. We're talking about lights, man. Focus. Definitely go follow Chrysler _King 300, man. You got one of the dopest light setups I've seen in a while, man. But let's go. Let's keep it going. All right, man, we got a new one coming in, man. I haven't posted any of his cars, man, but you guys got to go follow, man, Chaotic Army on Instagram, man. But he got some dope whips. I'm gonna try to show you the 300 real quick. Look at the underglow, man. Look at the green. I'm sure you can change colors, man, but look at the light, how it's filling in, man. Look like slime. Look like Slimer. Like you got Ghostbusters under his car, man. Look at that, man. Look at the green, man. Look at the background. Look at the trees. I don't know if you put lights on the trees, but that whole cinematic, that whole real artistic, you know, picture is dope, man. It just really shows how what lights on the car can do, man. It just brings out the rest of the background, man. Whoever put the lights on the trees, man, they should hit you up because of the car. Come on, man. Let's talk about something else. Look at the whips, man. We can even do that color, man. Look at that, man. Lighten up the whole area, man. Just lighten up the other car. I don't know if the other car got underglow or what, man, but it looked like it do. That's all from him. That's dope, man. You guys got to go follow, man. Chaotic Army. Definitely look at the green. Look at the side. Got a little emblem on the side. You got the rims. We got the roof. We got the lights. Look at the lights, man. Real subtle in the daytime. But yeah, man, super dope. Super dope, man. You guys got to go follow, man. Chaotic Army, man. My bad. Also, I believe he has an YouTube channel. Let's click on that real quick, man, so we can go to YouTube and give him some clout there, man. A little hope, you know. Opening YouTube. Yeah, let's do that. Hold up real quick, man. Shout out the YouTube channel as well, man, because that's where it's at, man. That's where you really can have fun. Instagram, man, you can do your own little thing, whatever, post pictures or whatever, but on YouTube, that's where you really get to know somebody and know what it is. I'll probably cut this up real quick. I don't know, maybe I'll speed it up so you guys hear me all weird, but yeah, you guys got to go follow, man. Chaotic Army. He got a... My bad. Chaotic Army. You guys got to go follow. He got a whole bunch of videos, man. Different cars. It seems like he's really heavily into MOPAR. He got a Jeep as well. He got the lights on it too, but definitely got the 300. Definitely got some other stuff going on, man. Looks pretty cool, man. But anyway, you guys got to go follow, man. Chaotic Army on Instagram and YouTube, man. But anyway, let's go. Oh, you thought we were just going to do second gen 300s? You thought we was going to do just the front end? Nope. Look at the back, man. You got halos on the back, man. Look at the front. You got them on the front too. These are different cars, man. But anyway, look at the cars, man. This is my favorite model of the 300, man. This is the dopest one. Look at the lights, man. They just look menacing, man. Look at the black on the side, man. But the halos, man, they just pop out, man. They look like crazy eyeballs, like the car is mad at you, man. I don't know if you guys ever watched that movie, Maximum Overdrive, man. I think it's from like the 80s, where like the cars were like real and they had like minds and all that type of stuff, man. They can drive on their own. It wasn't Transformers. It was like before all that. But this is what it reminds me of, man. Look at the front, man. Look at the halos, man. This is my favorite. Look. The second gen don't look like this, man. I'm sorry, man. I like the second gen, you know, I got that one too, but this one is a different situation, man. This one is the OG, the original, man. Look the way it looked from the front, man. This is the, I don't know, man. Anyway, you guys gotta go follow, man. Let's go back to homie page, man. You guys seem like he got 2 whips too. HPN 0300, man. Definitely got some dope whips. Halos, you can tell he put time into his car. Even the back. A lot of people, man, they negate and they leave the back to the side, man. They don't even really do a lot of stuff on the back, but you can tell, man, he put time and effort into that, man. Look at the grill in the back. I don't know if it's called a grill because it's on the back, but look at the back end. Look at the lights, man. Look at the front. You got it on the front too, man. So you can tell, man, all around the car, man, it's definitely, man, taken care of, man. And he got different cars too. You can tell by the grill. That grill's a little, well, not that one. Let me see. I thought I saw a different one. Yeah, that grill is a little different, man. You can tell by the hood and everything. So yeah, he got multiple cars, man. You can tell he's a 300 fanatic. So you guys definitely got to go rock with HPN 0300, man. Anyway, man, that's the last one. But once again, man, definitely go subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Definitely follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. But yeah, man, we just gonna post a whole bunch of stuff, man. You got a 300, man. DM me your car. If I haven't posted a video on you, I'll definitely add you to the, you know, something in the near future. Definitely have something dope in your car, man. Let me know for sure. I'm definitely gonna post that, man, because I like seeing all the 300s, man. If you put time and effort into your car, man, you definitely need to be congratulated for that, man. But anyway, man, definitely, comment down below, man, which car you guys think was the dopest, man. Or just comment down below if you think something was dope, or they can change something or add something, or, you know, just don't be disrespectful, man, because everybody love their cars. So if somebody comes in talking about, oh, you should have did this, that's kind of whack. But if you see something, man, like, hey, man, you should add these lights over here a little bit, you know, or something like that, man, definitely comment down below, man, and put that, man, because, you know, it's all about help and just giving back and helping out, man. But anyway, man, Mr. 300 on YouTube, man, thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, like, all that type of stuff, man. Anyway, let's go.